General elections were held in Nicaragua on 7 November 2021 to elect the president, the National Assembly and members of the Central American Parliament. President Daniel Ortega of the Sandinista National Liberation Front sought re-election. In June 2021, the government arrested 5 potential opposition candidates for president: Cristiana Chamorro Barrios, Arturo Cruz Jr., Felix Maradiaga, Juan Sebastian Chamorro and Miguel Mora. In July, candidates Medardo Marina and Noel Vitor were arrested, and Luis Flay and Maria Asuncion Moreno went into exile citing threats of arrest. Candidates registered on 2 August 2021. On 3 August, vice presidential candidate Berenice Quezada was placed under house arrest and disqualified. Her party, Citizens for Liberty, and its presidential candidate Oscar Salbalvaro had their legal status suspended by the Supreme Electoral Council the following week, and Constitutionalist Liberal Party candidate Milton Arsha resigned in protest. The elections have been called a sham election due to security forces having arrested opposition figures prior to election day. The president of Nicaragua is elected using first-past-the-post voting system. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.